is physics nya. All physics is chemistry. All physics is chemistry. No biology is mathematics. No biology is mathematics. No, some history is physics. Some history is physics. Ha zong ka statement one ani ka. E kan zun tu kha conclusion a chuan he question a khan some physics is chemistry which is not biology. Ti kha conclusion a kan nei chu angai. Chu chu ta hanin a velitem some physics is chemistry which is not biology. Biology le chemistry physics mon an in kung kai na kan shemya lo biology le maths an in kung kai lo ti zong kha kan shia ta ni ta a chu wang chuanin hi chu ala chiang tok lo ni statement 2 a some physics is maths, no history is chemistry. All maths are physics. All maths are physics. No maths is biology. No maths is biology. Dahan in conclusion aron swakim some physics is chemistry. Some physics is chemistry. Some physics is chemistry. Which is not biology. Hemi hi some physics is chemistry lahi biology anilaw. Pero he anilaw siyang ani. So statement 2 hi kan lathela. So option a here only 2 is necessary or both 2 and 3 are necessary. Ti tho wangin 3 po hi kan lak kan en tho nga ya. A hi chu nilaw sa a. So 1 and 2 atia 1 hi nit anilaw to box C a. Number 3 can end the ang. Number 3 no biology is history. Some history is maths. No physics is chemistry. No physics is chemistry. All physics is English. All physics is English. Hey, I in some now no ya. Swan. Some physics is chemistry. Physics the chemistry hian in kung kai nan nei nya lo zo ka ni ta pe hi chuan a thei lo bura ni tok. Swan. Can answer to chu enge option C. Option C only 2 is necessary ti thani.